Right. That's an exact force.
Yeah. Yeah, downhill. Go.
Well, I don't think this thing's working,
With the
guys.
tail with the tail, yeah.
I think it's pretty dead, that engine.
Nah, all it's wrong is got a flat tyre on the side.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
Nah, we pumped that tyre up, mate, and we'll be on that paddock with no time.
Fair enough then. Well, that's the main thing.
I
then.
mean,
Is your paddock downhill?
yeah, pretty good.
yeah, it is pretty much
So we can
downhill.
go from one end to the other. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we killed the Cressida.
Yep.
Right, so all we're going to do is just whack the manifolds onto here.
Yep.
Alright, we'll grab the wheels off the Mazda, whack them on, and we're golden. We've got those Falcon seats. Yeah, but yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Why not, mate? Why not? So where the hell did you find this thing?
Yeah, tell us the story, DJ.
So, LC Torana, that I must admit I didn't find this one. A good friend of mine, Nick, found it. And yeah, he had grand plans of restoring it back to original. He really likes his Toranas.
Yep.
And yeah, as life does, you've got to change priorities. And he said, I need cash, and do you want this car? And I'm like, well, there's a Torana, so it'll be good for the channel.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, I'm not the hugest fan of the Torana, but yeah, the people who watch Automotive Karnage are definitely huge fans. We did find a blue LC as well out in Bush 4-door, which we did for a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And that just blew up the channel as well, so that was fantastic. So I thought, why not try replicate that and do it again?
Yeah, why not?
Yes, okay, so we've got this shell, which is a bit hay going. It was found about 200 k's out of Kalgoorlie in the goldfields there. And we're not too sure how long it's been sitting there, but you can see by the amount of rust and wear and tear.
Yeah, I can see right through the floorboard.
Yeah, it's a Flintstone car for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been there for a while, so yeah, well, I'm not too sure what we'll do with it yet. If we'll turn it into a burnout car, or if we'll just pull a Ford 351 in there to annoy people. Yeah, it's, I don't know, we've got some inspiration on this one yet. This one's not talking to me.
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
No, awesome. Well, at least you got like most of the parts for it.
Most of the parts, so yeah, we've got the shell, the boot full of parts that came off this car,
Yep.
and then he also clearing out his yard, which there's another about car and a half in parts as well. So there's front cuts, there's rear cuts, there's half a shell,
Yep.
diffs, I think there's spare motors as well, steering shafts, not steering shafts, yeah, steering columns, and just heaps of parts I've still got to pick up for it as well. So
No, wicked.
yeah, definitely make 1.5 out of all the bits and pieces lying around.
Perfect, man.
Yeah.
But otherwise, like, yeah, the door's a bit how you going as well on this side, but
Yeah, exactly. I love the stance on the rear with the spring. It's
all good.
come on, Dan, you should be able to trim that door easy.
Mate, don't dent my car, alright?
I could trim
it's
it
pristine. Yeah, so yeah, you've got the
Well, that should be in the haunted house.
got the optional air conditioning.
Yep.
Um,
Okay, that's one way of stepping into the car.
yeah. Got not too much else to say about it really. It's kind of where it's at.
Yeah, fair enough, mate.
Demolition Derby.
I don't think I'll survive one hit. See the rust out in the bloody seat B colours and that?
That's right,
Yeah.
Byron will weld some crap in there for you.
Yeah, true. Yeah,
Oh, can you
Yeah,
imagine the
right.
people's
I'm just
comments if you
imagining-
put
I'm
this
just
in a
imagining
demolition
How
derby?
much that would blow up if you took this into a demo derby. Man, people would be sickly sour.
oh,
Yeah,
yes,
very, very, very sour.
Imagine if I put like a barrel or something in there to power it.
Yeah. Nah, awesome.
Nah.
Or we
love
could
it.
do, because you know you had the Toranas and then you had the Sunbirds that no one speaks of, and then the Chimeras that really no one speaks about, which replaced the Torana.
Yep.
Just put one of those motors in here. That should annoy a few people. It's real driver family too.
You know what shocks me is that the rest of the car is pretty bad, but that stainless steel trim is still looking pretty bloody good.
And I've been told that's only on the SL models or something, and it's quite a good bit of trim to have.
Yeah.
Probably $500, mate.
Maybe.
What do you make it into?
So
a
send me
two-door?
an email if you need like, some chrome trim for your Torana, $500.
Yep, fair enough.
Why don't you move that pillar back and stretch the front door so it's fucked anyway and
Make it a
make
coupe.
it a coupe, mate. Make it a two-door.
Make it like the botchiest two-door ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. That's my welding skills.
Yeah, that's right. Just have it all on show.
Yep.
Yeah, take it to Motorex. We'll fit it right in. Full of bog.
Yeah, yeah,
No, you don't want any bog. That covers up all your dodgy welding work.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate
You want to be
that.
able to see the dodgy welding work. Isn't that the idea?
Just get some booger welds on there. That'll be all good.
Nice.
Nah, we're good.
Yeah.
Let's see how long it goes before it dies. It's done. It is dead now.